Hi everyone, this is again Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty. So we're here once again in Ayala, Alabang, and I'm very excited to feature this new listing that we have dito sa village. So it's a property that sits on a total of 574 total lot area, 750 square meter total floor area. So join me as I show you what's inside this property. But before we go inside, I just want to highlight na this property, it's in a very good location dito sa village. This property is just beside this park. So meron ditong children's play area. So parang naging extension siya ng property. So meron kayong open space for your kids, diba? So it's easier to go to the park. Okay? So now, once we get inside the property, this is the first thing that we'll see. We have here a car park. It can fit up to 4 vehicles. Then, dito sa labas, from the car park, meron na rin tayong room for the driver. Okay? So, we have two sides na open spaces that is connected all the way hanggang doon sa likod. So, ano siya? Open space lang yan doon. Okay? So, now, pasukin natin yung property. So, welcome to this home, your future home. So, you have a good door. It's a solid wood. Then, pagpasok natin, yung makikita nyo, first thing is this huge living space with a high ceiling. Kaya ang ganda and ang laki tignan ng property because of the high ceiling. And then yung living area nyo, meron kayong good view of the swimming pool outside. Then from the living area, so this could be where your living area is. Then dito, pwedeng dining area nyo para you have a good view of the swimming pool outside. Then from here, it gives you immediate access going to the kitchen area. And look at the island counter. It's huge, enough space para pag nagpe-prepare kayo ng food. It comes with exhaust already. Then gas stove. Then you have the sink, the kitchen cabinet, the overhead cabinet, and etong made of quartz na countertop. Okay? Then this also comes with microwave oven. And yan, oven. Then from here, meron din tayong powder room on this side. Then dito sa ground floor, meron ding mini room dito. Pwede siyang maging maybe office dito sa baba, sa ground floor area. So it's a mini room. It's up to you kung anong gusto nyong gawin. This could be a mini office. Pero if you want to use it for a single room dito sa baba, pwede din naman. But there's another room naman doon. So, kung kailangan nyo ng bigger space dito sa loob, pakita ko sa inyo yung bigger room. So, it's also friendly sa elderly. So, if you have seniors with you, meron silang room dito. And this room, it has enough space. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng queen size bed, then side tables. This comes with its own split type aircon. Meron na rin installed cabinet here. Then its own toilet and bath. Okay, so there's more dito sa ground floor area. So from the kitchen, you have a pantry over here. Then, of course, the dirty kitchen. And yung helper nyo, it's very convenient for them to access the dirty kitchen and the kitchen area kasi nandito na rin yung kanilang maid's quarter. Then, meron din silang sarili nilang toilet and bath. Okay? Now, let's check what's outside. So, mula dito sa living area, kung gusto nyo ng better view, pwede kayong lumabas dito and check out the swimming pool. So, this is the swimming pool area. Then, from the swimming pool, meron din tayong extension over this side. Parang mini garden siya na nasa loob ng property nyo. Pero kung hindi pa enough itong open space nyo dito, again, sa kabila ay park lang. So, it's very convenient. And you have that enough space, no, for relaxation and to relax with your kids, diba? Now, let's go to the second floor. But before we go to the second floor, ito, we have here another storage for your shoes. Akyat tayo to the second floor. And even yung gamit na material sa stairs made of wood. If you notice, yung theme nitong house, it's very modern. Pero yung materials used, mostly mga wooden, no? So before we go to the bedrooms, merong special room dito sa house na to. It's this one. So this could be maybe a vanity area kasi ayan. So merong naka-set up na mga chair. So kung hindi enough yung space nyo sa rooms nyo for vanity purposes, for relaxation, so this could be the extension of your vanity area. So pwede rin siya maging massage area, pwede kayong mag-set up ng mga chairs dito. Then ayan, naka-set up na siya. Okay? Then this is the first bedroom. So ito, this could fit a queen size bed. Meron na rin siyang installed cabinet for television. Then this bedroom has its own toilet and bath. This is the walk-in closet. And then this side is the toilet and bath. So sa baba kanina, meron tayong isang bedroom. Then that's the second bedroom. Then we have another one dito. It's the same finishes like the first room sa second floor na nakita natin. Meron din siyang television stand dyan. This can fit a queen size bed. And of course, its own toilet and bath with its own walk-in closet as well. So I hope you're so far appreciating the property because it has really good finishes, no? And I like the flooring also. It's made of wood. Alam mo, hindi tinipid. So it's the same finishes like the first rooms. Meron din siyang television stand over here. Then, of course, its own toilet and bath. We've seen 4 bedrooms already. And then, ito yung isa sa mga exciting because here's the master's bedroom. So you will be first welcomed by this installed cabinet. Could be a study area, office, but look at the space sa bedroom nyo, sa master's bedroom. So this could fit maybe a king-size bed, and it's a higher ceiling compared to the first rooms that we saw earlier. Then, what's unique about this room is, bukod sa, of course, meron din siyang sariling television stand, cabinet. Then, one unique thing is meron siyang sariling niyang balcony. And yung view of balcony is yung swimming pool area. bukod sa swimming pool, from here you get also to see the side of the park. So if you have kids maybe playing in the park from your master's bedroom, you can see them from here. So it's good location. Maganda yung positioning ng master's bedroom natin. But that's not the best part yet kasi look at the toilet and bath sa master's bedroom nyo. So you have this vanity mirror over here. Then, ito yung sink natin and we have an enclosed shower. Okay? And then, ito yung walk-in closet. Right? So, hindi na kayo mamroblema sa cabinet kasi it's installed already. So this property, it's a 3-story house and lot. So meron tayong another room sa taas. Could be a guest room. So kung kailangan nyo ng extra room, if you have your friends visiting you, pwede nyo silang patuluyan dito sa 3rd floor. And bukod dun sa guest room, meron din tayong roof deck. So this side is a guest room. Ito yung roof deck. Dito muna tayo. So it's also very spacious. So it could fit kung ilan yung friends na bibisita sa inyo. Then we have a storage here. Laki. So pwedeng dito yung mga maleta kung mahilig kayo mag-travel. And this room has its own toilet and bath also. Okay. And then, if we move towards the other side, ito naman yung ating roof deck. So, kung meron kayong mga family gathering, pwede dito. So, this could fit siguro mga 20 to 25 na guests, no? So, if you have family and friends visiting you, you can maybe set up like a buffet area dito. Imagine having tables set up, chairs. So, no need to go far. Dito sa property nyo, you have that space para mag-accommodate ng mga gatherings. Ayun. So, I hope that through this video, mas na-appreciate nyo itong property na to here in Ayala, Alabang. But, I'm sure you'll like it even more kapag nakita nyo siya ng personal. So, if you are interested, just send me a message either via Viber, WhatsApp, or just call and text me. And I will be very happy to give you a tour, exclusive tour dito sa property na to. So if you have, if you're curious to know more options, we have all the listings in the market available. So just send me a message kahit ano pa yan, whether lot, house and lot, condo, all the listings in the market, we have it in our listing. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Froilan John Idos, and I'll see you to our next tour. Bye!